I gotta carefully walk back this way.
Ooh, my ears.
AJ, share with that, please. Are you cold, John?
My ears are cold.
You need to get that little thing that wraps around your head.
Hey, can I ride on the 4-wheel?
The 4-wheel?
I mean the...
Yeah, sure.
Kailani can't ride on it.
Let me help you out, Ed.
Where's Kailani?
She's right behind me. Was that fun, Jamie?
Trisha, this is a video with me on that.
Oh my gosh. All right, Leah, try and control where you're going with that thing. What happened, AJ? What's wrong, Age? He's crying. All right, here comes Leah. Hey, AJ, get up in case Leah comes right towards you. Look, here she comes. She goes right. Was that fun, Lee?